understand how to organize files and folders. After uploading files, you can organize them in the relevant folders. Google Drive provides you with the facility to create as well as to upload folders. Creating a new folder. Following steps are used to create a new folder. Click on the New button. A list of options appears. Select the New Folder option. A small window appears, specifying the name of the folder, and click on the Create button. The folder gets created. Moving a file to a folder. You can move a file to a folder by following the given steps. Click on the file that is to be moved. Click on the More Actions button on the top right corner of the web page. Select the Move To option from the displayed list. Select the folder from the displayed list of folders and click on the Move button. The file moves to the particular folder. Searching a file or folder. Users can store a large number of files on the massive storage capacity that Google provides. Sometimes it becomes difficult to locate a file among so many files. The searching feature of Google Drive enables you to look for a file using keywords that exist within the file or file name. You can search a file using 3 methods. Method 1. To search a file by name. Click on the search box. Enter the name of the file to be searched. A list of file names appears. Select the required file. The selected file opens. Method 2. To search a file using the file type. Click on the search box. A list of file types such as PDFs, text documents, spreadsheets, etc. appears. Select the type of file that you are looking for. All the files of the selected type appear. Method 3. To search a file using search options. Click on the Search Options button located at the right end of the search box. A form appears. Fill in the details on the form to search the required file and click on the Search button. The required file appears in the search results pane below the search box. Deleting files. Deleting a file from the Google Drive moves it to the trash folder. If you want to delete it permanently, you will have to remove it from the trash folder. To delete a file, select the file to be deleted. Click on the Remove button present at the top of the window. The file gets removed from the drive and moved to the trash folder. To delete the file permanently, select Trash in the navigation pane on the left. The trash folder appears. Select the Empty Trash option from the drop-down menu of Trash option. The file will be deleted permanently. Restoring a file or folder. You can also restore a file or folder from the trash folder in the following way. Open the trash folder. Select the file to be restored and click on the Restore from Trash button on the top right corner of the window. The file will be restored to its original location. Students know that if a file is deleted mistakenly, it can be restored instantly. This is done by clicking on the Undo option in the pop-up window that appears on deleting the file. Viewing the files. Google Drive displays your files and folders in 2 different ways. List view. This view displays a list of files and folders along with their application icons and other details such as owner of the file, date when it was last modified, file size, etc. By default, all the files and folders appear in a list. Grid view. The grid view displays the files and folders in the form of thumbnails. To use this view, click on the Grid View button on the top right corner of the window. Duplicating a file. To create a duplicate copy of your file, select the desired file. Click on the More Actions button located at the upper right corner of the web page, or right-click on the selected file. Select the Make a Copy option from the displayed list of options. A copy of the selected file appears. Renaming a file. To rename a file stored on your drive, select the desired file. Click on the More Actions button located at the upper right corner of the web page, or right-click on the selected file. Select the Rename option from the displayed list of options. The Rename window appears. Specify the new name for the file and click on the OK button. Students, let's know more. You can easily download a file for offline access. To do so, locate and right-click the file and select Download from the displayed list of options.